Yo friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious Japanese curry Shin ramen. Hope you like it. This recipe is popular online, and it actually tastes really good. Japanese curry is not spicy but has the aroma of rich curry spices. The more you eat it, the more appetizing it becomes. Curry cubes are a mixture of flour, fat, oil, mixed spices, seasonings, etc., which are heated for a long time and then cooled into a solid form. They are sold by Japanese food companies. Curry cubes contain the delicious aroma from the roasted flour during the heated cooking process, as well as the rich smell of the spices when heated to their optimum temperature. This exquisite and harmonious aroma is the charm of Japanese curry. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Ingredients: Shin ramen, Japanese curry cubes, mixed beans, egg. Add water into soup pot. Shin ramen seasoning powder set aside. Cook noodle until softened. Once noodle turns softened, remove from soup pot, rinse under running water, set aside. Add mixed beans and Shin ramen vegetables, pack to cook until softened. Let's prepare Japanese curry cube. There are 4 small cubes in one box. We need 1 cube for this recipe. Add Japanese curry cubes and cook until dissolved. Japanese curry slowly melts and the soup becomes richer. Remember to cook slowly over low heat, stirring occasionally. Add Shin ramen seasoning powder to taste. I've used whole pack of seasoning powder, so it's a little salty. You can adjust it to your personal taste by adding half a pack first. Once seasoning powder dissolved, add noodle and stir evenly. The noodles will become thick after absorbing the soup, and it's almost ready. Plate noodle. Let's eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.